Hi friends, good evening. Today I am discussing, we will do some practice of data interpretation before going to sleep, okay? Because it is very important, it is carrying 10 marks, right? That's why we should not neglect the DI, okay? Daily 1 DI, it is very important marks, okay, for JRF. That's why I am here to help you to practice with you the DI today, okay? What is the respective here? One data is given. The following table shows total number of students in the department of the institute along with percentage of females and male students. Answer questions 1 to 5 based on the given below data. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 departments in a college, and total number of students in each department is given, and percentage of female and percentage of male in that total number of students was given. Okay, now we will see the first question. What is the respective ratio of the number of females in mechanical? Okay, number of females, we have to find the ratio between number of females in mechanical and to the number of females in electronics. Okay, don't confuse here. Electrical is there, electronics also there. Okay, we have to find the ratio between females in mechanical and females in electronics. Okay, what is the number of here it is not asking the ratio of percentages. Here we have to find the number of students. Here these are percentages, not the number of students. Okay, I hope you understand that. Okay, number of females in mechanical department, how many are there? There are 23 percentage for total of 900. Okay, I will give you one trick here. How to find the 23 percentage? You have to see that 20 plus 3, 23 we can easily write like this, right? But for any number, suppose take 100, what is the 10 percentage of 100? This is 100 percentage, right? Whatever number is given, that is 100 percentage. Here 100 is 100 percentage. What is 10 percentage? If the last bit, once if in one's place if there is a 0, then we can remove that 0. That becomes the 10 percentage. Suppose if it is 105, what is the 10 percentage? That means we should not delete this last number, we have to put a point here. That becomes the 10 percentage of 105. Like that we have to do. Suppose what is the 1 percentage of 10 percentage of 100 is 10, because we can delete here, it is a 0. What is the 1 percentage of 100? 1 percentage of 100 is, we have to remove 2 digits, ones digits and tens digits. Okay, what is the 1 percentage of 100? 1. Like that we have to find the 10 percentage. Suppose if you are not maths background, it may be very difficult for you. That's why I am repeating how to find 10 percentage, 1 percentage. It is very important here. Suppose here in our question, percentage of females in mechanical, there are 23 percentage out of 900. These are the female. I already told we can write 20 plus 3 percentage. How to find the 20? First, what is the 10 percentage of 900? 10 percentage of 900 is, we can remove the first place, because here it is a 0. 10 percentage of 900 is 90. Again 20 percentage means 10 plus 10. That means one more 90 we have to add. This is the 20 percentage, right? If we know only 10 percentage, we can easily find 20, 30, 40 percentage, because when we multiply with that number, we will get that percentage. Here 20% means 20% is equal to 180. What is the 3%? First we have to find the 1%. What is the 1% of 900? 1% is, I already told, 10% is 90. 1% means we have to remove one more digit. Okay, here it is 0. That's why we can remove this. That is 9. What is the 3%? 9 into 3. That is 27. Okay, the 23% is 20% plus 3%. That is 207. This is the number of females in the mechanical department. Next, number of females in the electronics. Okay, where is electronics? Here total is 400 and women is 44%. How to find? Can you think once? Yes, here 44% of 450. That means we can write like this, right? 50% minus 6%. Here it is easy. What is the traditional method? 44% of 450 means 44 by 100 into 450. Like this we will do. But instead of that, we are doing directly. 44 means 50% minus 6%. What is the 50% of 450? Easily we can do 50%. 50% means half of the amount, right? Suppose if 100 is there. What is the 50% of 100? 50. That means half of that amount is 50%. What is the 50% of 450? That means half of it. 450 divided by 2. That means 225. 225 minus, you have to find the 6%. What is the 1% of 450? That means this is 10%, this is 1%. 4.5 is the 1%. That means 24 plus 27. How? 4.5 is the 1%. 6% means 4.5 into 6. Okay. 6 4 is 24. 6 5 is 30. That is 3. That is 27. 225 minus 27 is how much? 198. The ratio is, the asked ratio is 207 is 198. Okay, how can we calculate this? 3 6 ja 2 is remainder here. 3 9 ja 3 6 ja 3 6 ja again here 3 2 ja 3 3 ja 3 2 ja 3 2 ja 23 is 22. This is the right answer. Friends, I hope you understand the concept. Maximum in data interpretation questions, we should thorough with the percentage calculations. Okay, don't fear for the percentage, just we have to understand the percentage concept. Okay, this question is totally based on percentage. Next we will go for the next question. The following same table, this is the answer. 23 is 23, 22 is the answer. Next question, what is the ratio of the number of females in civil and electronical departments together? Here again ratio. Here civil and electrical. Civil and electrical, again it is also female. First of all, ratio to the number of females, number of males in the same. Here same departments, but males we have to find and we have to add it and we have to do the ratio. Here we have to find the total 4 percentages. Okay, civil, female in civil, how many? 35%. Okay, if we here same departments, that means if we find this percentage, we can easily find this also. If we get this, we can subtract this from the total, then the remaining are male. Okay, we will try to find the percentage of female in the civil first. How? 30 plus 5 percentage, or we can do 50 minus 15 percentage, like this. Okay, we will do 50 minus 15 percentage. It is easy. Okay, 50 percentage of 220 is 110. What is the 10 percentage? 10 percentage is 22, plus what is 5 percentage? 11. Because 10 percentage is 22 means 5 percentage means half of the 10 percentage. That's why 110 minus 33, 100 minus 110 minus 33, how much? 10 minus 3, 7. Again 10 minus 3, 7. 77. Okay, here 77 is the female. That means what is the percentage of male? 220 minus 77. Because total is 220, female is 77. The remaining is male, right? 10 minus 7, 3. 11 minus 7, how much? 4. 43, 143. Okay, here female is 77 and male is 143. Okay, here we need not calculate again 65 percentage here, because same department it is asking. Again electrical departments, number of females is 65 percentage. That means 50 plus 15 percentage. Okay, 50 percentage of 360 is 180, half of that, plus 10 percentage of 360 is 36. 5 percentage is half of 10 percentage, that is 18. 180 plus 54. 18 plus 36. 4, 8, 5, 13. 234. 234 is the female. That means male how much? How many? 3 total minus female is a male. 10 minus 4, 6. Okay, 5, here 5. 5 minus 3, 2. Yes, here 10 minus 4, 6. Again 5 minus 3, 2. 126. Remaining 126 are the electrical female. Now we have to add these two. Okay, civil, yes, we have to add these two. Civil females plus electrical females, and civil male plus electrical male. These two. We have to add these two first, and we have to make the ratio for these two. That means 234 plus 77, how much? 7 plus 4, 11. 8 plus 3, 11. 311. Each to 11. 11. Here 7. Yes, 311. Here 143 plus 200. Hundreds we will add first. 269. 269. Yes, this is the right answer. Okay, this is very easy, right? No need. If we find 1 percentage of the same department female, we got. That means the remaining are male. This is very easy. Next, this is the answer. Next question is, what is the total number of male students in computer and mining departments together? Here we have to find the total number of male students. Male students in computer and mining. Computer 55% and mining 60. This is 840. 55% of 840, that is 50 plus 5. 50, what is the 50% of 840? Half of that is 420. What is 10%? 10% is 84. 5% is half of 10%, that is 42. That is total is 462. This is the percentage of male in computer. And mining, 60% of 540. That means 50% plus 10%. Okay, 50% of 540 is half of that. How much? 250 is half of 500 and 20 is half of 40. Okay. Otherwise we can divide by 2. That is half, right? Half means divided by 2. 2 2 ja 2, that is in that way also we will get 270. That is 270 plus, this is only 50% and plus 10%. What is the 10% of 540? We have to remove the last digit 0. That is 0. That's why there is no point. Okay, 270 plus 54 is how much? 224. This is the total 686. Yes, 686 is the right answer. Next, no, that we did some where, yes, this here 324, not 224. That's why answer is 786, not this. Okay, next, fourth question. What is the average percentage of female students in the whole institute? What is the average percentage of female students in the whole institute? Okay, here already we are having percentages. Okay, we have to find the average of all these things. I already told in the previous lessons how to find the averages. Okay, here we can see what is there in average. 40 is there, right? Very near to all the numbers. 40 is very near to all the numbers. That's why I am taking 40 as the average. Then now I will do whatever is plus more than 40, whatever is less than 40 I will do. 45 is more than 5 more than 40. 35 is 5 less than 40. 23 is how much? 17 less than 40. 65 is 25 greater than 40. 44 is 4 greater than 40. Here it is nothing. Okay, 29 plus 5, how much? Plus numbers, how much are there? 25 plus 4, 29 plus 5, 34. Here minus how much? How much is there? 22. That's why here we have to, plus is more. That's why we have to subtract that 22 from 34 to 1. The total remaining is 12. That is also we have to do average now. How many are there? There are 6 female students. That means 6 to 12. The total average is now 42%. Okay, this is a very easy way of doing average, friends. Instead of adding all and dividing by that number, this is very easy method. In the previous lesson of DI, I already explained very clearly. Please go and watch if you want to clear your concept of doing average. Okay, next, what is the total number of students in all the departments? This is just we have to add all the numbers. I already told, don't calculate from the ones place. We have to do reverse. Okay, to do not do any mistake. Okay, that's why we have to first 800, 2000, 1900, 1900 plus 300, 2200, 2600, 2600 plus 5, 3100, 3100. First you have to add the highest. Then we have to add tens. 40 plus 60, 60 plus 60, 120 plus 50, 170 plus 40, 210. Okay, 10, 1, 3, 3, 1, 0. This is the right answer. If we do like adding from ones place, tens place, so if we miss any one digit also, we may get wrong answer like that. Okay, that's why we have to do from the highest number, thousands or what, whichever is the highest, we have to do that. Okay friends, I hope you enjoyed this session. Okay, please if you have any doubt, you can ask me whenever we come live. Okay, thank you for watching. Please refer this video to your friends also. They also will get benefit of this session. Thank you.